I think dash cams are something that you should buy. Everyone who has a car should buy. Unless you get one of the Yaris's or other cars that have a dash cam built in, you're good. But for the majority, if you don't have a dash cam, just go out and buy one. In fact, just go out on like Lazada or something, just put an order for one dash cam because they're so cheap. And they're so valuable to have because in your car, if something happens to you in an accident, it's your word against the other person's. You're kind of screwed. Oh! Ouch! Holy sh! Oh! Damn! So I think it's safe to say that it's pretty useful to have a dash cam running in your car. You could prove the accident isn't your fault to the police or insurance company, or at least you could wind up with a viral video and get that sweet YouTube ad money. But once you actually buy a dash cam, how do you actually get it installed in your car? Usually it comes with a suction cup, which is dead easy to install. You just attach the dash cam how it wants to be attached, and then you just find a place that's comfortable for you, place it, and you're done. It's placed, okay? Now, happy with that position. In this case, it comes with a 12 volt charger cable with USB output. Just find your 12 volt socket, plug it into it. Okay, and then just plug the cable in. And then you're done. This is actually it. Now, of course, this is a bit messy, but if you don't care about that stuff, you're actually just done. This is the last step. I guess the last step, the after step, is just to dress the cable nicely and route it, whatever, but you're done. This is it. And look at this. Just after we set up that dash cam, we saw this MPV, Velfire, and this sedan, Vios, running a red light. Bukan boleh harap. If only the police would give us a reward for exposing these guys, wow, that'd be good. Okay, so that setup process, I think it was super simple. But when you're on the lookout, online ke, at a shop ke, whatever, for a dash cam that's good, not just a crappy one or a mediocre one, what does that look like? Well, there are certain things to look out for. Sensor quality and just picture quality in general, that's really important. That's the most important part. You want a dash cam that records smooth video but also can see things very clearly. So a sharp lens matched with a good sensor. Also, the sensor has to be good enough to see at night. So if it gets dark, it won't just be a blotchy mess. Secondarily, resolution. Most dash cams these days are standard to record at 1080p. But some dash cams, more expensive ones, record up to 4K, which is good. But to match that one, you have to have a bigger memory size, because if you get a smaller memory card, it's not going to be able to cope with the large files. And thirdly is all the extra features. Extra meaning you don't actually need them. Things like ADAS, where it looks at the lane in front of you, and if you're straying from it, it'll alert you.
Caution, vehicle drifting.
And a parking mode where if it detects a shunt from another car, it'll record that shunt and hopefully it will capture the person who bumped into your car. But apart from that, it's more about the video quality, and that's it. Just if you take care of that, it's going to be smooth sailing for you. So have a look here at how the dash cam that we just installed compares to a high quality action camera that I may have stolen from the video team. Sorry. The Chiplat dash cam is just worse. The color is all weird. The road is orange for some reason. It's over sharpened, it's noisy, the detail is just lost, it's it's a mess, okay? But even so, it is better than nothing. Okay, so we've proven the dash cams are super useful. So if you have a dash cam of any sort, you're much better off than anyone else who doesn't have one of any sort either. So it's a no-brainer, just get one, And if you have a dash cam of any brand, I don't care, let us know in the comments below about what you think about your dash cam, if you recorded something amazing. So just get one. Leave a comment too.